Hello, I'm in your furnace room and I'm getting into other furnace supplies and I'm touching the water heater. I just see it. I'm gonna turn it on.
What?
Why isn't this working? Why isn't this turning on? Guess what? Woody's playing with the water heater.
Hey, Woody! No! I was out there booty cheeks. If you stop doing that.
Shh. Ow! Ow! It's so hot. Woody, do not touch that one. That one gets very, very hot.
Touching this one, it's more colder.
No, don't tell Woody to touch the water heater.
Yeah. Bad whooping.
Ow! You just whooped me for touching the water heater. Okay, I'm gonna go to another furnace room. Woody's going to another furnace room. Here I am. I am in another furnace room, so you can't know where I'm at. I'm gonna turn up the gas to this water heater. Shh. Pretend that you're in the shower and you're trying to take a bath and Woody's turning up the gas and you're getting burned and you're spanking Woody, telling him to lower it. Ow, I can't touch it. I can't turn it down. Can you help me turn it down?
I just got this pen in his face.
Okay. I'm going to another furnace room. Hello, I'm in another furnace room. Let me turn this one up.
Yeah, because his face.
Woody's making the water heater knock.
Don't touch it. Look, he had a gun and a camera.
Woody's making the water heater knock. Ray.
Hey, Woody, stop. I'm about to whip your butt with the garbage can.
I'm turning it on.
So,
Look, it's not that hot. It only takes forever to get hot. Hey, can you spank Woody for touching these furnaces here? Pretend Woody's crying.
get your butt whipping, bruh.
Now you don't touch the furnace.
Nothing. I was just playing with it, but
I am going to turn on a computer and install a virus into it.
you ain't telling nobody. You ain't telling nobody.
Pretend Woody's saying he's gonna hack into someone's Wi-Fi, into the Hello Neighbors Wi-Fi.
You're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. I gotta switch now.
You're gonna get a whooping. You're gonna get your phone and computer taken away. Ow! Ow, that really hurts. Okay, I won't turn on the furnace anymore.
It's not. Do it. Ow. Again.
I need to see if the furnace is cold now. Because it has been on since a lot of times. Yep, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Now I gotta let it cool up. Gotta let it go hot because I gotta take a shower. That's good. That's me gonna get hot now. I gotta take a shower.
Woody has to leave it alone. Ow.
What I said about touching it?
Just hit her soft. Pretend hard.
Run!
Pretend she's screaming.
Better not do it again.
I'm going to go to the circuit room and pretend.
Do not touch the sockets. I gotta fix the wires, okay?
Because you might get electrocuted, Woody. We told you about that at the other house.
I gotta make it. Oh my god! I gotta fix it. Charlie.
Oh
Not
no.
right here.
The door is locked. I cannot get in the water heater room. There's another water heater room here. Pretend you told Woody good. Good if the door is locked. You shouldn't be going in those rooms. I want to go in the water heater room. Are you going in there to look at the water heater, or you're going in there to touch on it and stuff, to touch it?
I bounced on the box, then it lead me up there. I gotta see what to do, okay?
Charlie, Woody needs the key to go in the water heater room. Tell her no.
No.
Why I cannot go in there? There's a ton of water heaters in there.
Hey. Don't make me put you in the face, look.
If you don't open the water heater room, I'm probably going to break this door and pretend.
Do it.
Psh, psh, psh.
You're grounded.
Ow, my hand hurts.
Ah!
You're not going in the water heater room, and that's final. How about you do something else? Can I go to Chuck E. Cheese?
No, you've been bad.
Why?
Because you've been messing with phone.
Can I go to McDonald's?
No McDonald's.
Why I can't go to McDonald's?
Okay, you're being bad.
I've been messing with the furnace.
Yes.
Can I go to the mall and get cookie butter at Walmart?
I said no stuff for you because you're grounded.
Can I go on my computer?
Do you want to get a whooping again?
No.
Stop.
I'm gonna hack into Hello Neighbor's Wi-Fi.
Time to get a whooping.
No, don't whoop me.
So stop it.
Okay, I have my phone. Hack into Hello Neighbor's Wi-Fi.
Hey, how did you do that glitch? How did you do the glitch? How did you do it? I bounced on the box.
Yes, I hacked into Hello Neighbor's Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh no. I think the furnace is breaking. I must have did something wrong to it.
I think you're supposed to like.
If the furnace is breaking, and if it's broken, you're gonna be in big trouble. Okay, Charlie, Woody broke the furnace by messing with it too much.
Give him a whoop.
I broke the furnace. Ha 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 ha.
Come here.
Why did you break all the furnace? Why did you turn up the heat until you broke all the furnaces? Now you broke all the furnaces. Now no furnace works.
You're gonna have a consequence. Eat dirt.
You break in the furnace, Woody. You gotta stop that. Let me try to fix it. Come on, thing. Work. Okay, Charlie, try to fix the furnace for Woody so that Woody doesn't break it anymore. Try to pretend you're telling the furnace to work.
Whoa, come on, furnace to work. There.
Can I touch a new furnace?
No.
Why?
No more furnaces. You're gonna get a spanking.
I'm gonna go in the light bulb room and squeeze the light bulb.
Trying to get whooping?
No, this is the light bulb. It's not hot at all. It feels kind of warm. But he's touching that light bulb. It's not hot at all. It feels warm.
Hey. I'm gonna squeeze your face.
But the light bulb is not hot at all. It's just warm. Tell Woody it doesn't matter. You're still gonna get electrocuted.
It doesn't matter. You're still gonna get electrocuted.
But it doesn't burn me. Look. It doesn't burn me.
It doesn't matter.
Well, it takes a while to get hot, Woody, so you... Ow! It just got hot. You saw how quick it just heated up? Spank Woody, because she lied, said it's not going to get hot.
Ow.
Light bulbs and furnaces and water heaters get hot. All of them get hot.
Yeah.
Oh, I found a lamp that doesn't get hot. Can I turn it on and see?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is warm. It doesn't get hot.
It takes a while for it to get burned. We're dancing.
It takes a while for it to burn up.
Man, Hello Neighbor dancing.
Oh, I found a heater that doesn't get hot. I'm gonna plug it in. This heater doesn't even blow hot air, really. It's a heater that doesn't blow hot air. It just heats up your house. It keeps it warm. Look, it doesn't burn, Charlie. It doesn't burn. It's not hot.
I don't care. Don't touch it.
I don't touch it. I'm gonna see. Oh, I see a yellow hot water heater. I see a yellow water heater. A yellow one.
Don't let you do it back to
Pretend you're in the shower and you got burned because Woody turned up that water heater. Pretending. Off. Woody.